system warns you of vehicles approaching rapidly from behind and adjacent lanes up to approximately 75 meters away, and of the presence of a vehicle in your Peugeot's blind spots. To alert you to the presence of a vehicle in your blind spot, an indicator light is displayed in the rearview mirror on the side concerned. A fixed intensity light appears immediately when you are being overtaken. A flashing light appears after approximately 1 second when you are overtaking a vehicle and the direction indicator is in use. When you start the vehicle, the warning light appears in each rear view mirror to indicate that the system is activated. The system's settings are stored when you switch off the ignition. The system is operative when all the vehicles are driving in the same direction and in adjacent lanes, when your Peugeot speed is between 0 and 180 km per hour, when the speed difference is less than 10 km when you are overtaking a vehicle, when the speed difference is less than 25 km per hour when you are being overtaken, and when your Peugeot is not towing a trailer or a caravan. No alert is triggered in the presence of stationary objects, vehicles traveling in the opposite direction, on winding roads or sharp bends, when overtaking a very long vehicle that is both detected in a blind spot from the rear and in your field of vision from the front, or in very heavy traffic.